Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angel Dream Crafts, and I'm back. I know I've been off for a while, but I am back now, and the first thing I want to share with you guys this week are these really cool markers. They're called Chocola. I was contacted by the company last year, and it didn't work out the first time, but their markers were not in Canada then, and I'm in Canada, and they are now, which I'm excited about. So they asked me if I would like a pack and I could do a review for them, and I was like, sure, that would be great. So they came last week, and I'm going to do a review on them here. I haven't used them yet, but I'm excited to use them. This pack is a pack of 16, so you get 10 chalk pens, and they're chalk, not like ink, like alcohol ink or anything. They're chalk, and you get 6 metallic markers in this pack. And I'm going to have all the links for this company, and they also gave me a 15% off coupon if anybody's interested in buying these. I think people who love doing cards or card making, who love to color their stamped images, these would be great for you. They're a reasonable price, and with the 15% off, you would probably get a really good bargain. So check the links below. So let me open the box up, and we'll take out what's in here. I did peek, but there's some really cool colors in here. I'll take everything out. Look at these colors. They're amazing. Now, with these markers, okay, you have to shake them well. Let's do blue because, you know, blue. About 30 seconds it says, and keep the lid on when you do that. And then you have to press the tip multiple times to get the ink flowing. So it's kind of like a paint marker. And then recap it tightly and store horizontally afterwards. So when you need a bit more ink, you just press it down again. Now these markers are washable, so if you have like a whiteboard or a non-porous surface, which I got a jar for us to try on, they just wipe right off. So I kind of like that, because if you make a mistake, that's cool. I was also told that if you use chalkboard paint, it won't come off, but you can just paint over them again if you didn't like your design with the chalkboard paint. So I actually had bought these jars at a thrift store. They're really nice big jars, real older mason jars, and I wanted to chalk paint them, and I'm going to use these markers to write what I want to store in here, like brushes or things like that for my craft room, because I've been reorganizing my craft room. So I'll be back with that project, but I thought I would try writing on this and see, you know, how good it wipes off. So, okay, we've been shaking that for about 30 seconds. So let's move the box over here. And I've got this bag here, and these are black, where are they here? Black bags that I've had in my stash. And it says on here it works with chalk, so that's what we're going to use. This is from Saxon Things, the paper studio is where these are from. So let's try this, and we're just going to push down a lot until the paint starts flowing. And I see it starting to come down now, so that didn't take too long, but it is coming down. So you just have to give it a minute. And I think once, yep, see it's starting now. Look at that. Oh, I love that color. And it looks so good on the black. Yes, let me zoom in a bit here so you can see that. Look at that blue. So let's draw a little picture here, because that didn't take long. Oh, look. They're super pretty. I love that color. So let's do some polka dots, because why not? I'm not much of an artist, but, you know, we'll go with it. Let's draw a flower. I've got this down here, so I'll just make this a little bigger here. And then we'll draw a flower. Oh, they work really nicely. Really nicely. Look at that. and they're pretty much dry. Now, it won't come off of here because it's paper, but let's try the pink. Let's do that again, because that did not take long at all for the paint to come down, so that was pretty good. So you just go up and down until the paint starts to flow. And again, I can see it coming down already. I've had paint pens that have taken forever to get the paint to come down. Almost, there it is. Ooh, that's a really bright pink. Wow, that is like neon pink. So let's draw another heart down here. And a couple of little ones. And we'll put the lid back on that one. And there you can see, look at that. Very cool. Very, very cool. Okay, so let's check out now the package of the metallics and see if they're different or better or what. But I'm happy with these. These are really nice markers. And for crafters, you know, it's good to have a good set of markers in your room for card making, etc. So these are the metallic colors that you get in this package. So let's try the silver. And these ones you don't have to pump, I don't think. No, the color's just there. We'll just go with the hearts, right? So there's the silver. And then the gold. Oh, and then let's do this greeny teal color because I love that color. Okay, that doesn't show up as good on the black, the green, so it'd probably show up better on a white surface. So that's something to note. Let's try this blue. Again, that one's not as bright as this blue either, but it's a metallic, so that's why. And then we'll put the pink over here by the pink. Yeah. So it's not as neon pink as that one, but I like it. So there is, oh, I didn't do the red. Let's do the red. The lids are nice. I like the lids, so that's not really showing up at all on the black. So just to note that. So there, you can see it though. These are all the metallic colors here, and here, and then the pink one over here. So they do look better on camera than when I was looking at them. So, okay, happy with that. So, hey, now I have a bag I can decorate to put some Happy Mail or something in. So let's try a non-porous surface, and then we'll try wiping it off. So, well, we'll use one that's already got the paint flowing. So let's make a nice big letter K on here. I'll write my name. And a dot, and we'll put a little heart here. Well, that wrote beautifully on the glass. Absolutely beautiful. I love that. That worked really well. So let's see if that will come off. Now I got a rag here to see what this will be like. So look at that. That came right off. Fantastic. I love that. Oh wow, that's cool. I like that. So yeah, I'm going to paint my jars up, and then I'm going to decorate them with these Chalkola markers. So I will be doing a project with them probably in a few days. But that is my initial sort of review of these markers. I love them. They're great. I like the colors. The packaging's nice. It's a good way to store them. So let me put these back in here. I like that this package came with metallics too, and not just like the bright markers. I like the metallics because I love working with metallics. And they do what they claim to do, and that is wipe away off a non-porous surface. So if you do have a whiteboard or anything that's non-porous and you are drawing something or coloring in something, and you mess up, you can wipe it off, which is very cool. So, and it wrote just beautiful and smooth on the glass. I loved that. So that was good. And I love these colors. So we got blue, we have green, purple, the pink, orange. This is a red color. There's like a brown, white, which is always handy. Black, again, that's also handy, and a yellow. So those are the regular colors, and then you get the box of the 6 markers. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with that, guys. So definitely go and check out the links and see what you think. If anybody has these markers, leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think, and I will get that feedback back to the company. And but so far I'm pretty happy with them, I have to say. They're going to be a great addition to my craft room, and I'm definitely going to be using them. So let me know what you think. Check out the links below, and remember there is a 15% off coupon if you're interested in getting some of these markers. It's a good deal. So thanks for watching, everybody, and I will be back with another video very shortly. Take care. Bye.